Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is talk about NVL. Specifically, I want to share with you some rewards that we're beginning to see on the platform. So this is going to be a short episode, but nonetheless, we have a lot coming in the near future. So guys, if you can so kindly, smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know how many rewards you're earning. So I do not have a lot of NVL, maybe a little bit more than some of you. But for some of you, you definitely have a lot more than the Moose does. So guys, this is NVL, Nuvola. So what they are a DePIN aggregator. They help facilitate run nodes for partnered projects. And what you can do is pick up the NVL token and stake it to the platform and earn rewards based on the activity that the nodes are producing. So Cardano's first DePIN aggregator index, opening the gateway to a global rewards-based economy, NVL. Here's one of their latest posts. In under 5 months since launch, NVL has lined up 10 new revenue streams. Currently, our holders are earning COPI, IAG, and USDM World Mobile. Okay, so that is true. If you head over to the dashboard, and guys, I've done videos on this. If you want to know how to stake to NVL for the rewards, I've got that for you. This is a partnership with NVL. All right, so if we take a look here, you can see based on 900 NVL, that's this stake. So all you have to do is hit create stake, connect your wallet. And if you have NVL in there, you can stake. It's very simple. I'm sure most of you guys can figure it out pretty swiftly. But what's cool and what I've noticed is a little bit of USDM. So that's World Mobile. I thought it was WMT, but I guess there's like a stable token for that. So the rewards are not a lot if you do not have a lot of assets. But, if this is something where, you want to pick up a lot of NVL, and not have to run nodes, not have to do a lot in crypto, it's a great passive way of making money. Plus, the other thing I want to mention is NVL is extremely undervalued right now, in my opinion. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. You're listening to a moose. But at the end of the day, NVL has a lot of potential. I believe we're still under a 30, 40, 50 million market cap. This could go to levels that are hard to comprehend. The team is there. The partnerships are there. The partnerships are growing and thriving. And you got Crypto Moose getting loose talking about it. So ladies and gentlemen, comment down below if this is something that you're excited about. Share with me how many rewards you got. Guys, head over to the link tree. I do have links for you. So for the staking, you can actually hit this link and it will take you right to where we were. Guys, pick up a tangent, use code MOOSE, and we'll see you in the next one.